A nice lady from New Mexico called me and she said, all my life I was dreaming of Oriental rug in my living room. I make a trip to Turkey and I purchase 2 Oriental rug. In a store there was amazing, beautiful rug, exactly the color that I'm looking for, and I was very excited to see them in my house. The disappointment was overwhelming when I received the rug. This is what came from the rug on a first cleaning process. I arranged FedEx to come to the lady house and pick up the 2 rugs. One of them is small and the other one is 10 by 13. They smell from sheep, like you're going to the field and smell all the sheep and smell all the dirt. It smells horrible. She tried in their location in New Mexico a cleaning process, but everybody say to her, no way, this will be forever. You cannot remove the odor. Make a story short, she find my cleaning process PetPeePee and she contact me. Let me show you how I clean a beautiful Oriental rugs from odor, bad odor. It doesn't matter if it's a pee-pee, vomit, urine, diarrhea, or sheep. It doesn't matter. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea will kill the bacteria that cause the bad odor. And because the XpetPee machine move the cleaner through the rug, through the fiber, everything's got washed thoroughly, and I guarantee in writing, when you receive the rug, you're welcome to put your nose whatever you want on the rug. Guarantee no trace of urine odor. I have more than 120 reviews on Google, all of them 5 stars, and everybody praise about my cleaning process and service. PetPeePee, I enjoy cleaning Oriental rug from dog, cats, sheep, smell, it doesn't matter. The tube shows me what is in the rug in real time. And because I don't use no scrubber, deodorizer, enzyme, centrifuge machine, I will deliver the rug back to you with a great nap. It will be fluffy, it's going to be shiny. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense finally here in the United States. PetPeePee is a nationwide service. Thank you very much for watching. You have a beautiful day.
PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.